sequence. Sequence is the order of numbers or a set of numbers that are connected and related to each other. While numbers are used to calculate, to measure, and to give value and quantity of a certain thing.
Arithmetic sequence, or also known as arithmetic progression, is an ordered set of numbers that has a common difference between each consecutive term. Using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by t, wherein a sub n is the nth term in the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term in the sequence, and the d is the common difference between terms.
So example is 6, 9, 12, and 15. Their common difference is 3. So now we will find the 15th term in this sequence. So an is equivalent to 15 equals a1 is equivalent to 6 plus open parentheses n is equivalent to 15 minus 1 close parentheses times d, which is equivalent to 3. So next is 15 is equals to 6 plus open parentheses 15 minus 1 is equals to 14 close parentheses times 3. So 15 is equals to 6 plus 14 times 3, which is equals to 42. And then 15 is equals to 6 plus 42, which is equals to 48. Therefore, the 15th term in this sequence is 48.
Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence in which each term is found by multiplying the preceding term by the same value. Its general term is this. The value of r is called the common ratio. It is found by taking any term in the sequence and dividing it by its preceding term.
A geometric sequence is a type of sequence. It is a sequence in which every term except the first term is multiplied by consonant numbers. To get it, I will give you an example. So here is the example of geometric sequence. 3, 6, 12, 24, and 28 with a common ratio of 2. So the geometric sequence can be either negative or positive, but it can never be zero. In geometric sequence, each term is found by multiplying the previous term by a consonant. For example, 1, 2, 4, 16, 32, 1 to 8, and 2, 5, 6. This sequence has a factor of 2 between each number. Each term, except the first term, is found by multiplying the previous term by 2.
Fibonacci are nature numbering system. They appear everywhere in nature, from the leaf arrangement in plants, in a part of the flowers of the flower, the bracts of pine cone, or the scales of pineapple. So the Fibonacci numbers are therefore applicable to the growth of every living thing, including a single cell, a grain of wheat, a hive of bees, and even all of the mankind. Fibonacci numbers are in the following algebraic sequence, called the Fibonacci sequence, and characterized by the fact that every number after the first two preceding ones, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 149, and so on.
Example, we have the following sequence. In this sequence, we notice that the 12th number in the sequence is still unknown. So to take its value, we have to use the formula for Fibonacci sequence, which is Fn is equals to the sum of Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. Since the missing number is number 12, we will substitute the n to the 12. Therefore, F12 is equals to the sum of F12 minus 1 plus F12 minus 2. So, F12 minus 1 equals to 11 and F12 minus 2 is equals to 10. In the example of Fibonacci sequence, the 11th term is 55 and the 10th term is 34. Therefore, we need to add this 34 plus 55 is equals to 89. The 12th term in this example is 89.